So I'm about to scrub my pan, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to use the Scrub Daddy to get this clean. So the one thing you'll notice is that when it use warm water, it gets soft. So I've used it warm already, so it is soft. But when you use cold, it actually is much stiffer. So if you really have to scrub something, use cold water. So let's just get, I already have some soap, and we'll get some soap, and then we'll get some scrubbing. So as you can see, this really scrubs super well, and then it really kind of gets so much of it off. So this is just 1 degree scrubbing, and let's see how much. So as you can see, almost all of it is gone. Actually want to stiffen this up a little bit, so let's get some cold water going. So I want a little bit like more scrubbing action. So I don't know if you can tell on camera, but definitely I can feel it's much stiffer. So I just want to get these little bits. So as you can see, so much easier.